Now, there are several definitions of big data as it is frequently used as an all-encompassing term for everything from genuine data sets to big data technology and big data analytics. Basically, big data is a term which is used to describe massive volumes of both structured and unstructured data. It is so large that it is difficult to process and can't be handled by utilizing traditional data processing applications. Although big data doesn't refer to any size, the term itself we often use when speaking about terabytes, petabytes, and exabytes of data. Big data is arriving from multiple sources. These are known as 4 V's of big data. The first V being volume. 90% of all data ever created was created in the past 2 years. From now on, the amount of data in the world will double every 2 years. The second V is the variety. Data today comes in many different formats: structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data, and even complex structured data also. It is being generated by everything around us at all times. Every digital process and social media exchange produces big data. Not only that, even systems, sensors, and mobile devices do generate huge amounts of data. The fourth V is veracity. A lot of data and a big variety of data with fast access are not enough. The data must have quality and produce credible results that enable right action when it comes to end-of-life decision making. The veracity required to produce these results are built into the operational practices that keep the Sage Blue Book engine running. The checks and balances, multiple sources, and complicated algorithms keep the gears running. The fourth V being the velocity. When you are dealing with so much data, the speed in which it can be accessed and present, the expected and required result is crucial. No one has time for watching the hourglass flip in this day and age of high performance, always in technology. The Sage Blue Book is continuously monitored and turned for performance to ensure a satisfactory experience for the end user. So this is all about big data. Now let's talk about types of big data. Starting with first, structured data. Data that resides in a fixed field within a record or file is called structured data. This includes data contained in relational databases and spreadsheets. Semi-structured data. Semi-structured data is a form of structured data that does not conform to the formal structure of data models associated with relational databases or other forms of data tables, as it contains tags or other markers to separate semantic elements and enforce hierarchies of records and fields within the data. Unstructured data. People in the business world are generally very familiar with the types of structured data mentioned above. However, unstructured is a little less familiar, not because that's less of it, but before technologies like NoSQL and Hadoop came along. Harnessing unstructured data wasn't possible. In fact, most data being created today is unstructured.